Hey guys, thanks for coming back. I am Anushka Patma Moman and today you are watching an interesting challenge video. So let's get started. If you are new at my channel, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon for more interesting videos. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share this video with your friends, relatives, etc. There are some rules. There will be 10 seconds given for each question. You have to think and then answer. Every question contains 10 points. You have to add the points of questions which you have guessed. You can pause the video. In last, you can check your remarks with points. Number 1. Guess the fruit. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Your time is over. It's apple. These all are apps plus L is equals to apple. Number 2. Guess the fruit. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Your time is over. It's egg fruit. This is egg and these are fruits. So egg fruit. Guess the fruit. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Your time is over. It's dragon fruit. This is dragon and these are fruits. So dragon fruit. Guess the fruit. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Your time is over. This B sign is for pink and it's cherry, so it means pink cherry. Guess the fruit. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Your time is over. It's tomato. On the screen it's written to-mat-o. So it's tomato. Your remarks are: if you got 10 points, nice, 20 points, great, 30 points, good, 40 points, excellent, 50 points, bravo. Thanks for watching my video. We'll meet in my next video. Till that, keep calm and stay tuned. Bye.